Practice set 13. Let's begin with the first sum. Find the LCM. The numbers given are 12 and 15. We have to do the prime factorization as done in the previous practice set. Beginning with 3. 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are 15. I'll write it separated by commas. Now the new set of numbers that I got 4 and 5. No further common factor I have such that I can divide both the numbers with it. So that's all, we end here, and only these are the factors. We will write it with the words LCM equal to 3 into 4 into 5. On multiplying this, 3 5s are 15, 15 4s are 60 is the LCM I get. In the second sum, we have the numbers 6, 8 and 10. We begin dividing with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. Now the numbers that we have, that is 3, 4 and 5, cannot be divided with a common divisor. So that's all with the prime factorization. I will write all these numbers in the product form here as 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. On multiplying this, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 and 24 into 5 gives me 120. Similarly, let's go to the next sum, 18 and 32. 2, begin dividing with 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 16s are 32. No further division possible because no other common factor we have amongst 9 and 16. So we'll write the LCM as 2 into 9 into 16. That gives us 288. Question 4. Begin the division with 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 15s are... Here 15 I'll keep as it is, and then go to the third number. 2 10s are 20. Now throughout I'll be able to divide by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Now what I am left with is LCM equal to 2 into 5 into 3 into 2. That gives me the answer 60 here. Similarly, we are solving sum number 5, 6 and 7 as well. In a similar manner, we solve sum number 8, 9 and 10, where we find the LCM of each. Let us now begin with the word problem sum number 1, which says find the HCF and LCM of the following numbers. Verify that their product is equal to the product of the given two numbers. The first given to us is 32 and 37. Its HCF is, however, just 1. LCM is 32 into 37, that is 1184. The product of two numbers is 32 into 37, which gives us 1184, and the product of HCF and LCM, you multiply 1 by the number that we found just now, The answer is 1184. Even in sum number 2, the HCF is coming out to be just 1. So this is a sum that we do exactly in a same manner as sum number 1. Come to sum number 3, 15 and 60. We find its HCF coming out to be 3 into 5, that is 15. And its LCM is 3 into 5 into 4, that is 60. Now the product of two numbers, that is the two numbers given to us in the question, is 15 and 60. 15 multiplied by 60 is 900. And now we find the product of the HCF and LCM, which is the same numbers again. 15 into 60, that is 900. In the next two sums, sum number 4 and 5, also we follow the same. With this sum, we end with our practice set 13.